Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. DSI Performance here with another Yamaha MT09. It's another late one tonight. So we've got a 2018 MT09 in, I don't know the exact color, but it's like a satin gray with the fluorescent accents and the wheels. Kind of like the MT09 really. Looks awesome in this color. So some of the key facts: it's just ticked over 3,000 miles, one owner from new, 2018. It will just have its first service done, first MOT, sorry. It's had one service as a run-in, and then it'll have another service now as well when we get the MOT done. It's the original exhaust, but it's got the little slip-on cover, which just looks a bit better than standard. So you can change that if you want. There's ever so slight, and I mean I'm really picking here, little imperfection on the plastic there. You see it? I don't know if it came like that from factory or not. But yeah, really tiny. Previous owner, mature guy. So it's got the upgraded seat on it. Does come with the original seat. Does come with the original levers, although these Giles or Gillies, however you want to pronounce it, are pretty hot. Quite like those. And it's got the bigger MT09 screen as well. So in general, again, another nice bike to nothing to write home about. Really well kept, lovely low mileage, very sought after colour. Yeah, I'm a bit quiet tonight because there's not much to tell. I mean, just look how clean that shock is. It's lived all its life in a garage with some light weekend use. Obviously, this comes standard with the quick shifter, with the riding modes on this model. Pretty well-known engine as well. Really popular engine, this. What else can I tell you? I've still never ridden one. The last one that came in, if you go back and watch the video on the black one, I did a very similar thing. Late night video, next day sold. Will it happen again? Don't know, hope so. But I don't know, yeah, but I would like to have a go on this one as well. Good looking bike, right? Let's fire it up for you. So there's your mileage, 3104. It's not very loud. With a can, these sound amazing. Really good. Like the last one we had a full acro system. Sounded lovely. Do a little blip for you. I mean, still, for a stock exhaust, it does sound nice. Three keys. Two normal, one red. The all-important red key. So tell me what you think. All the information will be in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, and we will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.